Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix problem when you cannot hear sound on your Panasonic TV. So first of all, on your remote control, click on the menu button. Next, go for the sound tab. Go right here. And right now, just be sure that the volume level is above 0 and open the speaker settings. There is a big chance that your speaker is set up like that, to be turned off, or just switch to the headphones. And that's why you cannot hear any sound. When you switch to the TV speaker and use volume button on your remote control, as you can hear right now, everything is fine. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.